Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my first set of acrylic nails with the Pro or Core acrylic kit from Young Nails, and I already started with pre-prepped tips and nails and all of that. I'm going to be applying my Young Nails protein bond, and I didn't show me pre-prepping my nails just because it took me way too long. Sorry about the echoiness for this. I am still playing around with my mic and all of that, but for the most part, I'm just going to be applying the protein bond to all of my nails, and then I'm going to start out with the clear acrylic, and I'm using the Young Nails brush that it came with. I'm pretty much just going to be putting a super thin layer of acrylic on all of my nails, and then I'm only going to be using the pink glitter from the left side. My goal was to do like an ombre, but it kind of just came out like a semi ombre for the glitter, except for my ring nail, which I did a pretty much full nail of the glitter. Like I said, this is my first time doing the acrylic with any type of design, and I've only used one other acrylic kit, which it honestly wasn't that good. So this is my first time actually doing acrylic with like a good product. So please don't judge me for the way this came out, but this was literally my first time doing this. I'm also using the Core Pink, but I'm just putting a super thin layer of Core Clear just to protect my natural nail from having too much glitter on it. I just wanted to do a super thin layer of that on all of my nails before I did the actual glitter, so when I do file down, I can file down to that super thin layer of clear. Sorry for the echoiness in this microphone voiceover. I'm still trying to adjust my settings for my voiceovers. I'm really trying not to do voiceovers, but because I do record and there's so much noise going on around me, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still messing around and playing with the audio on this. So I'm only going to pop in here a few times, but I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and watch. So pretty much all I'm doing is popping in and putting on a super thin bead of clear acrylic, and then going and dipping into the glitter and just kind of mixing those two together to put on my nail. It's very self-explanatory. Like I said, I didn't want to pop in here too much and tell you guys what I'm doing. Kind of just want to show you guys what I'm doing. But that's pretty much all I did for all of my nails. Like I said, except for the ring finger, I do go ahead and do like a full nail of glitter mixed with the acrylic. Like I said, my intent was to do like an ombre, but I think I did it a little bit too low to make it like an ombre. But again, this was my first time doing acrylic with this set, and I've only done acrylic with one other brand, and that was from some super cheap brand off of Amazon. So honestly, in my opinion, this is a really good first time use for acrylic, in my opinion, at least on myself. I've only other done acrylic one other time besides on myself, so I really enjoyed how this turned out. And as you guys will see in my next video, I start out with a pre-prepped acrylic set on my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, and I do a Squid Game nails inspired video, so please be on the lookout for that, because that will be coming up very shortly after this video. I want to get these videos out as quick as possible. I have a Halloween tutorial coming up after the Squid Game nails, so please be on the lookout for those. Please, please, please subscribe so my channel can get some more views, and so that I can grow my channel as much as possible to the extent that I can with just being a at-home nail tech, trying to better myself at doing these designs. And I will be purchasing and reviewing a bunch of different things, meaning like acrylic kits and different sets and different things, like either off of Amazon or different brands. So please be on the lookout for all of those. But like I said, for the most part, just keep watching this. It's very, very, very self-explanatory, but I will go ahead and say that I pretty much like everything from the Young Nails Pro or the Core acrylic kit, except for the top coat. The top coat is super thick and it leaves a sticky residue. That's the only thing I don't really like from this kit, and also the brush, but that's like a whole separate story. It's a pretty good brush for what it is and that it comes with the kit, but I do have another brush that I found on Amazon that I really, really, really love. I will talk about that more in my next video, which is the Squid Game nail inspired tutorial. Like I said, be on the lookout for that, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys keep on watching and just enjoy the rest of this video. So as I am shaping and filing these nails on my left hand, on my right hand off camera, I did go ahead and just put a basic set of the core pink or the core clear. I can't really remember because this video that I'm editing and doing the voiceover for now was kind of a while ago, but I just did like the most basic simple set that I could with that, and I just end up putting on a color. You guys will see towards the end, but since I am right-handed, I pretty much would be doing like my left non-dominant hand in most of my videos, but I will go ahead and upload whatever videos I can doing my non-dominant hand, because I know doing your non-dominant hand at home and on yourself can be very challenging. It is for me as well, and I'm not the most perfect at doing my non-dominant hand, but I do focus as much as I can on doing those, especially because, you know, doing your non-dominant hand is extremely hard, especially with acrylic, because it doesn't set up like polygel. And like I mentioned in my Young Nails Core acrylic review, I have done polygel for a lot longer than acrylic. But honestly, ever since doing acrylic, as I'm recording this voiceover right now, I've gotten so much better at acrylic than polygel. I ended up doing a polygel nail set on myself, and I really did not like how it came out, especially because I've been doing acrylic a little bit more. So be on the lookout for more acrylic reviews. Honestly, I like acrylic so much better than polygel. I just think because it's, honestly, in my opinion, when I do it, it's a lot easier to work with. I may not be the best, but the more I practice, you know, the more I will get better at it. So just be on the lookout for more of those videos and subscribe so you guys will know when those videos come out. And it's very simple. I will do different videos like going in depth on how I shape and file and do all of that stuff, but it's, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory from watching it and, you know, seeing other people do it. It's very, very, very self-explanatory, just going back and forth, back and forth. I don't show every single thing in every single video or every single clip, so I just want to let you guys know, like, this is just me doing trial and error with me practicing. So I just wanted to let you guys know. So after filing and shaping all of my nails with, different files, I normally use like 100 grit, and then I go in with my mandrel bit around my cuticles and stuff like that. I always make sure to buff with at least a 240 grit or a buffing block on all of my nails, because I do not want any scratches in my nails. If you guys do your own nails, you guys know what I'm talking about. And then I also go in with some Young Nails Swipe, or even just a dehydrator, or even just rinsing my nails under some plain water, no soap, because you do not want oils on your nails when you go ahead and top coat. Anyways, I do that for every set that I do. And just taking my manicure brush and just really scrubbing and making sure that I get all that dust, especially around my cuticles, because that is where the dust loves to hide. If you guys know, the dust will stick to your dry cuticle as much as possible. So just make sure you guys go in there with a little manicure brush and scrub that out, and it'll be okay. And as you guys see, I do use the Young Nails top coat in this video, but honestly, I have never used it since I have done a couple more sets on myself, whether that be polygel or acrylic, and I have not reached for this top coat. It is so sticky and so thick. I don't know what it is. I don't even know if I can thin it out with like acetone or something. Please let me know in the comments if you guys know if you can thin out gel polish, meaning top coat, with acetone or rubbing alcohol, because I don't even know if you guys can. But as you guys will see in this clip, I went ahead and opened up my Young Nails rose oil that came in the kit for the first time. I didn't even open it when I reviewed it, and it didn't even register in my head that I didn't even open it, and the dropper was broken. So I did email them, and they sent me a brand new one, no questions asked. They didn't ask for any pictures, or they didn't ask for anything. They just sent me a brand new one. So I just went ahead and left that off to the side. I just used a cuticle oil that I already had, and it was okay. But anyways, this is how the nails came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Please be on the lookout for that Squid Game nails tutorial, because that is coming up next, and then some Halloween tutorials. Thanks guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.